These 3 SAT math hacks feel like you're honestly cheating on the SAT, but you are not. These are 3 DESMOS hacks with the built-in calculator on the SAT you can use for your next test. So hang tight. These tips are super easy, and you can honestly watch this the day before your test and use these the next day. So check them out. Okay, so your first tip is going to seem dead obvious, but it's one that can speed you up really fast on the SAT and can be applied a little bit differently. So you can actually use Desmos to calculate the mean on this problem, or the average, or whatever you want to call it. Also, to keep in mind, Desmos can also do this with the median and standard deviation. I've seen those all come up. So all you have to do on number 3 is you are finding the mean time. You just type it in parentheses and go 5, 2, 15, 9, 9. And then the answer is 8, and you get to move on. The second tip is absolutely essential. Even in the newest SAT Blue Book practice test, they have 2 questions just like this. So which one has exactly one distinct real solution? And that word real just means that it's not an imaginary number. So instead of overthinking it, all you have to do is you pop up handy Desmos and you type in these equations, and you are going to look for how many times it will cross the x-axis. So you have to still make sure you hit the equals to 0. So let's zoom out. So on A, I see that it crosses once. And then let's go ahead and try B. And this one is asking for once, so it's likely A. But just to show the example, B, there is no lines. And then if you try option C, it has 2. And then if you try option D, there's 2 as well. So then we know the answer is A. Okay, this last tip is one of my favorites because honestly, I hate calculating slope by hand. So on number 14, it is asking for this g of x equals mx plus b, which is the good old y equals mx plus b, where m and b are constants. What is the value of b? So instead of just solving this by hand, do it way faster. So you click the plus sign in the corner and you click table. And technically, you don't have to enter in all the points. You actually really only need 2. So you go 1, 32. And remember, our g of x or our f of x is always going to be the y. And then let's enter in the second point. And then we click 28. You click this button, which just says add regression. Please don't stress on what that means. Just click it. And what's really nice is you have your y equals mx plus b formula right here, and then it's asking what is b, which is 36. D, you got the answer, and you get to move on. Okay, so are you taking the SAT soon? What did you think about that? If you need more help and more tips and tricks on your SAT, make sure to hit that subscribe button or check out our website below because we have a massive SAT review coming up soon. We would love to help you out, and regardless, good luck.